Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm your main man, DeWayne. And in this video, I want to tell you how to make more passive income than earned income, right? Because if you don't figure out how to make passive income, you're going to be working forever. You're going to be hustling forever. You're going to be doing whatever it is that you do for money forever. So if this is your first time running across this channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's get this thing on the road. Everybody was put here to be, to do whatever makes them happy, and this supposed to be like the land of the free, but what most people don't understand is you're free, but if you're not financially free, then you're not really free, right? And so what I see a lot of people doing is I see a lot of people getting up every day and they going out and they chasing money. It's like it seems like everybody just out just chasing money, like rats. Everybody just chasing cheese. You know what I'm saying? So that's not what you put on this earth to do. You're not put on this earth to chase money every day. You put on this earth to be free and to do what makes you happy. Go to the places that make you happy. Have the things that make you happy. Experience the things that make you happy. That's what you were put here to do. And most people don't know that because people don't tell you things like this, And so the name of the game is passive income. That's the name of the game. And they don't tell you that in school. They don't tell you, your parents don't tell that to you because they weren't taught, But the name of the game is passive income. And if you can get your passive income to exceed your earned income, then you can actually experience freedom, and you can have time in your life to do whatever you want to do in your life, right? To focus on creating wealth or focus on creating, whatever it is you want to create in your life, The object is to get money and take that money. It don't matter how much money you're making. I know people that's making millions of dollars, I'm talking about millions of dollars. I know athletes. I know business owners, I know truck drivers, I know strippers and street hustlers and rappers and models, that make a lot of money, that make millions of dollars. But most of them haven't figured out how to invest that money, right? Because that's the only way that you can create passive income. You got to invest that money. That's the only way to create passive income. Right. So when I was making a lot of money back in my early 20s, I was introduced to investing. And it wasn't until maybe about a few years ago when I actually got my passive income to exceed my earned income. I don't have to hustle. I don't have to get up worrying about money or trying to figure out where my money gonna come from. I don't have to do all of those things because while I was making a lot of money, and trust me, if you're out there and you're making a lot of money, you're not gonna be able to do that forever. You can't do that forever. Right? So the key is to take that money and use that money to buy freedom. Freedom is passive income. The more passive income you can buy, the more you're free forever. So take the money and use that money. I know people who own their own business, they figured out how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? And so now they're trying to figure out how to invest the money so that they can start making passive income, right? And so a lot of people, they invest in stocks. That's the popular thing right now. Crypto, and trying to get a business going, trying to scale their business, right? And the reason why they're going with all them different options is because they don't really know that there's really only one asset that will protect your money, pay you a consistent, dependable return on your money, and grow your money over time. And that's real estate, right? That's real estate. And once I was introduced to real estate, the reason why I'm bringing you guys these videos is because, nobody ever told me. Nobody ever, I was busy spending my money on things that stroke my ego, things that I thought impressed other people. And so I was busy spending money that I didn't have, buying things that I didn't need, trying to impress people that I didn't even know, So once I got over that, and once I started to see that my passive income, because I was investing, I was making, $15,000, $20,000 a week. I started off working a job. I got a job. I got a good job. I went to a couple colleges. I got me a good job. And then I figured out that I didn't want to work no job. I couldn't work a job. It just wasn't enough money. The job wasn't the problem. The problem was it just wasn't enough income for me. I was introduced to the drug trade. I'm an 80s baby. I grew up in the crack era, and so I started making money, and I started making a lot of money selling drugs, and so I got introduced to, a friend of mine came to me. His parents were selling real estate and buying real estate, and he told me I can partner with them. I can put my money with them, and I would get paid a return every month. And when he sell the property, 6, 7, 8, 10 years down the road, I would get a piece of that profit also. And I would never lose my principal. I would never lose my money. Right? All the money that I'm investing, I never lose. So I started doing that. And I started seeing my passive income. It was coming in. At the time, I thought it was coming in kind of slow. It started off small. I started off getting $25 a month, from a $5,000 investment. That's $300 a year. That's 6% return on my money. And I was cool with that, and I just kept investing, man, keep investing, because I knew I couldn't sell drugs forever. I became a party promoter, right? And so I ran across a lot of celebrities and a lot of rappers and models and dancers and entertainers and DJs and club owners. And I saw these people making a lot of money. Most of them were taking that money that they were making and they were using it to finance their lifestyle. So what normally happens is the more money people make, the more they increase their lifestyle. They go and get a new house, a new car, they move to the nice neighborhood, when instead they should be taking that money and they should be investing that money. So my goal is to educate you guys. Give you the knowledge that you need about money so that you know how to properly use money, because money is only a tool. It's only good for what you use it for. Take your money, use your money to invest in real estate, right? The problem is we don't have a lot of options. Our only options is they want you to either give all your money to Wall Street or put your money in the bank or go out and buy houses and cars and clothes. That's the options that most of us have right now, right? So what I would like to do is I would like to create a company, which I'm in the process of doing, where we go out and we find great apartments. I'm talking about great apartments, 30 units or more. But my goal is 4,000 units within the next 10 years. But I want to go out and find great property, great apartments in great locations that cash flow day one. I want to put together a team of investors. Okay, so if you're out there and you're making money and you want a safe place to store your money and grow your money and get paid on your money, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I won't be able to do it without you guys, right? I'm only doing it for you guys, because we need other options. We need to be able to create wealth and freedom in our life. That's very important. It's important for our family. It's important for our health, for our mental health. Freedom is important. If we knew what to do, we would do it. I know that without the shadow of a doubt. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, post a comment, man. Let me know what you guys are doing to prepare for your future. What type of passive income are you making right now? Right? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And if you guys have any questions, about real estate, if you want to know what you should be doing as far as business, or how to grow your business, or how to start investing in real estate, I can really help you guys out with that. So send me an email. I'm going to put the link in the description. If you have any real estate questions, if you got a deal you want me to look at, if you want to talk about a deal you're looking at it, and you want to know what my advice is on that deal, make sure you post it in the comments or send me an email. Guys, I want to leave you guys with this, man. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Never stop believing in yourself. Never stop chasing your greatness. You only get one life. That's it. You only get one life. Do whatever it takes. Do whatever it takes.